Hey y'all, welcome back to Ladybug Budgets. This is Michelle. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to work on our long-term binder and our debt binder. So let's go ahead and we'll go in here and we'll work for a little bit. So this is our longer term challenges. So this time we're going to be working with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I was able to put $5 extra in here this time. So I normally do 40, but I had a little bit of extra, so I thought we would stick it in here. Alright, so we're working on this one from Budget with Carly, and this is the one that we saved the amount, and then we save some of the smaller ones and come down to the bigger one when we get it added up here. We'll take care of it. So we finished our 22 last time. So this time, let's go ahead and let's do the $12. And then we can do our 8 next time, and it'll take care of the 20. Alright. So we'll go ahead and add $12 in. So we'll do 5, 10, 11, and 12. Alright, and this will save $3.45. So I'm not able to come in and do like the $36 and stuff like that. So I've just been doing, like I said, the smaller numbers until they add up to this. So far we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 5, 40, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's getting there. It's just taking us a little bit, but that's okay. Alrighty, and the next one we're doing is from Save with Judy. And these are tulips. I made these $6 each. So we'll go ahead and we'll color our next one off. And these are, like I said, a little bit bigger challenges. But I've just been working on my patience with them and trying to get them done. So we're going to add $6 in. So with this one with Judy, so far we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100, 1, and 2. So that's great. Alrighty. Oops. Alright, the next one we're working on is from Jolene at Livyland, and it hits her little roll the dice challenge. So let's go ahead and get our dice tray here, and let's roll and see what we're doing. Alrighty, that was a 3, and for some reason last time I come down here and colored this 2 all the way down here. Don't know why I skipped all these and came down here. So that's a 3, so let's go one more. Alright, that's a 1, so we're at 4. Let's try one more time. Alright, and another 3. So we'll do $7 into here. Alright, so 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, I just noticed I come all the way down here. So, I don't know why. so for this, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 5, 40, 1, 2, and 3. So, we'll just fill these other ones up as we go. Alrighty, the next one we just started this one, and this one is from Save Money Saves You. So, we'll go ahead and we'll go over here and we'll do the next 5. And we'll color it in. And then we'll do the next 2 over here. So we're just slowly going on this. So we'll add 7 more. So 5, 6, and 7. So now in here, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this is the only one that I did just start recently. Alrighty, so that takes care of that one. Alrighty, the next one we're doing is this one from Karen at Let It Be Budgets. So let's see how many of these we're going to do. These are $1 each. Alright, we're going to do 6. So let me find me a different color marker over here. So we'll go ahead and we'll finish this line up. So that's 3 with the yellow. And so then let's do this one. And we'll do these 3. Alrighty, so we'll add $6 into here. Alright, so 5 and 6. So in this one now, we've saved 20, 30, 5, 40, 1, and 2. So that one's coming along. I started using this one as a catch-all, but I really like this one, so we're just going to go ahead and keep on working on it. Alrighty. Alright, the next one we're doing is from Susan at Windmill Ridge. So, I've been working on this one since the 1st of January, so we have $7 left, so let's go ahead and roll. Alrighty, that's a 2. Alright, let's go again. And a 1. So 3. So let's try one more time. I got a couple dollars over here in my driveway alarm challenge if I need them extra. So that's 3, 4. Oh, that's 3. All right, and a 5. So we need $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to steal one over here. I like to keep some extra ones for my driveway alarm in case it goes off, because you never know with the Alrighty, so in this one, and like I said, we started this 1st of January. And this is a freebie on her Ko-fi shop. So far we've saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. So we are on this side working now, so we're making some progress. It just takes a little bit of time. So we don't have any left to go in this one from Carly this time. So we'll just go ahead and we'll stick our paper clip back here, and we'll roll and add some into it next time. Alrighty, so that takes care of that binder. Alrighty, so now we're going to work on our dip binder, and we just started this last week. So let's go ahead and let's see what money we've got here. Alrighty, we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 60. So $60 for this one. So that's what I'm going to try to do each week for this binder. Whether I can always do that, I don't know. So we'll just have to see. But we'll start back here where we left off with our clip. So that is with Wild Everest. And this is the little Goose Vibes Only. So we stopped here. So let's go ahead and roll. That's a 3. So we'll go 1, 2, and 3. So we'll scratch right here. Alrighty, and that one's for $7. I thought this one's so cute. Alright, so we'll add 7 in here for right now. So 5, 6, and 7. Alrighty. And then we are working on this little scratcher from Katie at Reynolds Budget. So we stopped right here in the middle. So we're going to go 1. So we're going to go right here. Alrighty, and that one's for $4. Alrighty, so let's take a 1 and we'll stick in a 5 here. Okay. Now let's go back to the front. And we're working on this little cute one from Budget with Carly. So we did 2 scratchers last time. We stopped here. All right, so that's a 6. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we'll go here. Alrighty, and that one's $3. So let's go ahead and try one more on this. Alright, and 2. So 1 and 2. So we're at 3. Alright, and 5. So $8. So let's take 2 of these ones and we'll stick in 5 and 10. So this one, out of the 40 so far, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. Alrighty, the next one we have is from Nori at Norellis Budgets. And we stopped here last time, so let's roll. Alright, so that's a 5. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go right here. Alrighty, and that one's for 4. So let's go ahead and try one more on this one. Alright, so 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're at 4. Alright, and that one's a 9. So we're going to add $13 into this one. But we do have it. Whoops. Alright, so let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So with this one now, we've saved 10, 15, 20, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Alrighty. The next one is from Debt Free by 43. And I thought this one's so cute. And I can relate. It says, I'm mentally drained, but I'm still going to give it my best because Mama didn't raise a quitter. So, that's true. Alrighty, so we stopped here. So let's roll. Alrighty, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's just go right here. Alright, that one's a 2. So we're going to roll again. Alright, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're at 2. Alright, that's a 3. So that's 5. So let's try one more on this one. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're at $5. Alrighty, and that's a 1. So $6 into here. And I thought this one's so cute. Alrighty, so 5 and 6. And I can't hold on to my vacuum today. Alright, this is $40. So far we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we've got some larger ones under there. We've just not got them yet. Alrighty, let's go to the next one. And this one is from Budgeting with Kim. And it says, yeah, I've got OCD, old, cranky, and dangerous. So we stopped here. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alrighty, so that one's 6. Alrighty, what we got over here? Let's go ahead and try one more. And a 1. So 6 and 4. So we'll add $10 into here. So not too bad. Alrighty, so 5 and 10. So now we have $20 in this one. Alrighty, and now we're back to this one from Trisha at Wild Everest. So we've still got some money over here, so let's give this another try here. So we were here. Alright, so 1 and 2. So we'll go here, and that one's a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go ahead and try one more time on this one. Alright, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so that one's a 5. So we need 5 more. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we're adding $9 more in here. So in this one, and this is a mystery save, so So far in it, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And I definitely need to condense that one down. Alrighty, so we have got $3 left. So we're going to go back here to Katie. And we might get an IOU, but that's alright. So we'll go ahead and roll. Alright, and a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that one is 4. Alright. So not too bad. Alrighty, so we've got 3. So I'm going to grab another one over here. I'm going to steal it, and it'll give us our $4. That way we don't have an IOU. So this one will say 55. So far we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So that didn't take long to use our money, but we are making some progress. So we finished that one up. So we'll start up here on the first one next time with Carly. And we added $60 more into our debt. So that's awesome. So that's what we've got today. So I appreciate everybody watching. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Thank y'all.